Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out, in this case, a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move, including actually late yesterday. So from here to kind of where it is right now, this has been a very nice move. But that does bring up the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at 65 cents. Why is 65 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 65 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in that upwards direction. Ideally speaking, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest? If the price can stay up above that pink line there, the 200 period simple moving average, that would be a best case scenario. But if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying everything's ruined, because again, for the reasons talked about, you still have 65 cents as an important level of support. What about areas of resistance? Key area of resistance going into next week, I want to just kind of scrunch up the chart right here to give a little bit more perspective, is going to be this point right here at, what is that value? 70 cents. Going back through the longer term history of the chart, you can see multiple occasions there, knocked down the price. Temporarily got above it, but that didn't last very long. And once the price fell back below it, you can see knocked it down right there. And during this candle right there, didn't quite hit it again, but I think we can all agree got right within the range of it. So 70 cents, definitely public enemy number one going to next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.